This cloud's really active up here. See it up there?
Here's a thunderstorm, Litchfield, January 28, 2009. It's just incredible. We're at the VSLVA family reunion. Just had an awesome dinner, and now we're being treated to this amazing thunderstorm out in the ocean.
That's great. You don't see that very often. You remember that day that Dad and I were with you, Chuck? Up on the mountain, up in Winterberry? Oh, geez. I thought we were going. Your dad's so rich. From the condo to the car. So it's my dad.
Truly an awesome show tonight. We had a huge thunderstorm yesterday when half of our group was out on a boat cruise and they all almost died, but fortunately there were no direct hits.
That's a long way off.
I know.
Gotta be 10, 15 miles.
Not there at 15, the sound is too close after the light.
What is it?
About a mile per second.
But that one's close to
5 seconds?
So it's 2 miles.
5 seconds? Really?
We've not met it before. Seen it on here. We had met in Slovenia. We were there. We had a group attending. And so we met and we were all staying say months and years and stuff because that's their, this is not theirs. Whoa. Chuck, you sure 5 miles? 5 seconds to a mile. You're sure about that? Oh! Not 4.5. We thought it was 4.73.
Speed of sound actually varies. They're very good. It varies by altitude.
I know. So you think he's going to...
Whoa!
He's going on. I think he's going to hang around. This guy's a How far away are you? Now, but maybe the whole the net jets feels like pretty impressive, huh? Very independent. So then we start doing that math and we said, oh, I'm going to fly, 12 people to Vegas.
Yeah, Nick.
Yeah, good seeing you.
Glad you can make it.
Yeah,
good luck on this next tour. What you about to say?
Yeah, well, part of the deal, and like I said, back to my home away from home.
Wow, no kind of home for us.
Anyway, yeah, it's,
I knew you'd be out here.
yeah,
Isn't that an awesome storm?
it is great show.
Better than fireworks.
I know.
God's fireworks.
Wow.
Boom!
Wow.
There's a lightning in front of the ship.
I don't remember it ever striking the left or the far stall when I was young. We saw a lot of lightning strikes too.
You'd think it'd pick out, it would pick the biggest use of metal out there.
But we had radar on the ship and we always steered around thunderstorms. I guess for that reason.
It has those wicks off the edge too. probably that
Probably
reason.
for a reason. Yeah, big static leaks.
What's the boat 67? You remember that one? It's parked up. I was on the final approach yesterday, or 3 or 4 days ago, into Philly,
Feel it.
and it's right out of it's in port in Philadelphia,
Yeah.
and I guess it's in mothballs, but it's 67. It's a you can Google it. Angle deck.